variation, we are doing a front lunge, back lunge combo, also known as a pendulum squat, because we're gonna go forward and then we're gonna go backward, all on the same side before we switch it out and go to the other side. So the way that this is gonna look is hold your hands at your heart or simply place them on your hips. I'm gonna place mine on my hips. So whatever feels comfortable for you and wherever you feel like you can gain as much balance as possible, because we're gonna be testing that balance with this variation. So hands are on your hips or at heart center. Stand rooted on one foot. So I've got all my weight focused on my right foot to get started. Take it forward for a nice front lunge. Lunge forward, come up, and a reverse lunge. So coming up for 1, come back to center, and 2. Center, front lunge, 3, back lunge, 4. Forward, 5, and back, 6. 7, back, 8. 2 more, front lunge, center, back lunge, center, right into that other side. So now stay rooted in that left foot. Bring that right foot forward into a low lunge. So stepping forward, nice wide stance forward, come back to center, and reverse it all the way down. Come back to center, keep that core engaged, giant step forward. Here's 3, reverse lunge. Here's 4, focus on that balance. Forward, here's 5, reverse it. Here's 6, take it forward. Here's 7, reverse back. Here's 8, forward, 9, last one, reverse lunge, and come back to center. So one thing to really keep in mind as you're doing this reverse lunge, front lunge, you want to make sure that you step forward with a nice giant step so that as you come down, that knee is not going over that toe. If you do a tiny little step, as you come down, this is not good. You don't want that knee to come forward over that toe. So a giant step is going to allow that to not happen, okay? So as you're stepping forward and also as you're stepping back, think big step forward, lunge down. Come back to center, help kind of regroup, then nice low lunge with that foot coming backwards. Coming forward, regroup, gain that balance, step forward, giant step, coming down real low. So we've done stationary lunges. So this is basically a stationary lunge with the foot coming forward and then that reverse coming back. Keep in mind that knee does not go over that toe. So this is where you can injure yourself if you're not doing them properly and you've got that weight coming forward. So big step, stay nice and rooted in those feet, coming directly down towards the ground, coming back up to center and reverse it backwards. So give those a try and take your time, okay? Come back to center, re-ground yourself, and then take it a step back, really giving those big giant steps to make for perfect form. Give those a try today, incorporate those into your 100. Don't stop until it's done, and I'll see you guys real soon.